Okay, you have a D750 and you need to update the firmware. You need to do this once every so often. My camera needs to be updated, so I will show you how I do it. I will drop this link in the description, so you don't have to Google for it. It's the Nikon download center. I have Windows. I need this version. 1.15 is the current firmware upgrade for August 2020. Here it says in writing what you need to do and all extra information. License, blah blah, accept. Go download. Well, that's my antivirus, and I say keep it. Now I go to the folder. I say unpack. Now if it's unpacked, you go in the folder and you need this file. Copy. You go to your SD card. Copy it in the root. So it's now here, and now you have to eject the SD card and stick in your camera. So now we go over to the camera. So I put the memory card with the file, the updated file, in the camera. Go into the menu and you go down to the wrenchy thing and you go all the way down. And now you say firmware update, update. You want to update it? Yes. Warning, do not turn your camera off during update. Update will take several minutes. Several minutes? Okay, I turned it off and on. And now we're going to check the firmware. And the firmware is, like you see, 1.15. It's done. Okay. So that's the firmware update. There's two things. I did speed up in the video the update process because it actually does take a minute, well, roughly. And the other thing is you need to have a fully charged battery. If your battery is not fully charged, it will give you an error, like you need to first update your, fix your battery thing. So that's that. I hope this video was useful. Yeah, all that. Thank you. Bye bye.